Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will enter to Drive. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop. Then we click OK. After that, we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.